All right, what's going on, guys? It's Ray here with the Super Affiliate Network, and in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to make money online in 2020. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the best program to get started with as a beginner. I'm also going to show you the best high-ticket program to get started with to make big high-ticket commissions. And lastly, which I think is the most important one, I'm going to show you how to drive highly targeted leads and traffic to your offers. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and let's get going. So the first program that you want to get started is with Clickfunnels. Now, if you don't know about Clickfunnels, Clickfunnels is basically a tool that you're gonna need. I mean, hands down, it's more ways to do it, but ClickFunnels is the best, in my opinion, the best software you could use to basically do everything that you need to do to make money online. There's other programs out there that you could use, but my recommendation is ClickFunnels. And the reason why I say the ClickFunnels is the first one to get started is because, as you can see here, they pay 40% commission on anything that you promote and get a sale on. But not only do they pay 40% commission, it's monthly recurring commission. So let's say, for example, you get someone to sign up for ClickFunnels on the $97 a month. And basically what's going to happen is that you're going to get 40% of that. So you're going to get roughly about 38, 39 bucks every single month. So you can do the math. Like if you get 100 people, 200 people, that's for $8,000 monthly recurring income. And the beauty about this is that when people start using ClickFunnels, basically, once you start using it, you're not going to want to stop. So once you start using it, getting results, and seeing how simple it is to use and how easy it is basically to build a website, which is a funnel or another funnel. A funnel is basically a better converting than a website. It takes the users on a certain path that you direct them to. So they're not able to go here, go here, go here, go here, go here. It's basically you're taking them down a specific path that you want them to go through. So basically it's 40% commission. But the beauty of that also is that ClickFunnels also pays for your dream car. Now, I don't know, what company do you know that will go out and pay you to go get your dream car? That's the beauty of ClickFunnels. And as you can see here, it's pretty much, as soon as you get 100 new ClickFunnels users, they'll cover your car payments. Simple as that. What do you want? A Tesla, Corvette, Ferrari? It doesn't matter. They'll cover it. And they'll pay you for that just for getting people to sign up. Now, as you can see down here, these are all people, and you might be familiar with some of them. And as you can see, they got their cars, and these are the people these are the dream car winners who's actually won and gotten their dream car paid for. I mean, that's the beauty of ClickFunnels. And also, as a beginner, these are some of the earnings that you can make just basically off of giving away a free book. Now, I know that's crazy, but you pretty much give away a free book. Like in this example, it's the Dotcom secret book, and it's free pretty much. They just have to pay for the shipping, which I believe is like $4.95, and then the book is free. But what ClickFunnels does, and you don't have to do any of this, it's already pre-built for you. It's already done for you. All you have to do is just promote it. But so you bring them into the ecosystem, and you're giving away the .com Seekers book. Well, inside of that, they have order bumps. So basically, they'll say, hey, you know what? If you order today, we'll give you the black box, and it comes with this, and this. So the customer clicks on it, boom, I want that. You get $14.80 off of that. So then they have another order bump. Then you get $14.80 off of that. Then they have a one-time offer. And basically it's like, hey, you know what? This is a one-time offer. If you act now, you can get this, the audiobook and bonuses. You get $18 off of that. Then you have another one-time offer, which is the traffic secrets. Off of this, you get $118. And then finally on their thank you page, this is the Funnels Builder Secrets, where you get $798. So off of one book sale, you have a potential of $967 for just giving away a free book. I mean, that's you take this potential $967, you top it with them paying for your dream car and a 40% reoccurring commission. I mean, you're in the game. It's a no-brainer. And this is for beginners. This is for people who's been online who hasn't made any money. This is for people who's online making money. I mean, this is for anybody to get started with. And also, you may be wondering, like, well, I don't know how to promote ClickFunnels, or I don't know how to drive traffic to ClickFunnels. And don't worry about that, because in the second description in the link below, I have a done-for-you system that actually promotes ClickFunnels for you. And later on in this video, I'm going to show you how to drive targeted traffic to that offer. And you'll be able to promote ClickFunnels in what I'll show you. But the second way to make money, which I think is the best way, and the reason why I think it's the best way is because not only do they have high ticket commissions, but they also promote ClickFunnels for you. So that company is Legendary Marketer. Now, if you haven't heard about Legendary Marketer teaches entrepreneurs how to make money online, and not just make money. I mean, we're not talking about get rich quick, because that's not what the company is about. We're not talking about make $1 million overnight, because again, that's not what the company is about. What this company is about is teaching entrepreneurs the correct way to make money online. And their blueprint is going to show you how to basically start as a beginner and end up being a six-figure earner. And on this right here, you have a 15-day challenge. And what that does is you actually have to take this program in order to be an affiliate, because unlike a lot of companies, Legendary Marketer, they just don't want anybody. They don't want just anybody promoting their product. It just tarnishes the brand. They want highly motivated people. They want people who's going to take action. They want people who is looking to build a profitable business, not just someone who's, hey, you know what? I just want to make money real quick and that's it. No, that's not what Legendary Marketer is. They actually teach you how to build high ticket, high profit businesses online. So you go through the 7-day challenge, which is the cost of a cup of coffee, or fast food meal. It's not expensive, but the value that you get off of it is just priceless. I mean, if you're looking to get started and you don't know anything at all whatsoever about making money online, well, this company is going to show you. But not only that, but on your second day, on your first day actually, you get to schedule a call with a 8-figure business partner. And basically they're going to pretty much hold your hand. They're going to hold you accountable. They're going to check in with you. And I mean, this is awesome, because just imagine you knowing absolutely nothing about how to make money online, but you're connected with somebody who has made 8 figures, 7 figures, 6 figures online to be your coach, to be your guide, to be your motivator. I mean, that's just awesome. And for the price of it, it's just, I mean, it's a no brainer. But not only that, once you complete this 7 day challenge, which that's in the first description link below this video. So if you want to click on that link and get started, I mean, this challenge right here pretty much changed my life. Like, I was pretty much probably like you are looking for ways to make money online, and I was looking at all the shiny objects. I was following this person, following that person, buying this course or buying that course, and basically what I end up doing is spending thousands of dollars and never taking action. Until I came across this and this company. I mean, the way that they deliver the information that they give you is just awesome. And not only that, but what it also does is, as I told you before, it allows you to it promotes ClickFunnels for you. So if you go back here to Pro Streams of Income, as you can see, this company will promote your links for you. As you can see right here, and my affiliate link is right here, and it promotes ClickFunnels for you. And it also promotes other products that you need. It promotes it for you. So not only does this company give you awesome information and awesome training, not only does it connect you with an 8-figure earner, but it also promotes your link for you. And the reason why I choose this company as my #1 recommended way to make money online is because of this. So right here is the commission structure that you'll make for promoting Legendary Marketer. So as you can see, once you go through their training, all of this, how to promote it, what to do, how to do it, all that's going to be covered. But look at this, guys. Look, they have a program, the Legendary Marketers Club, and it's going to cost a customer $30, but you get $18 off of that. Then if they decide to, if they decide to upgrade to or buy additional products like the Traffic Rolodex, that's $98 commission. Affiliate Business Blueprint, that's $1,000 commission. Digital Products Business Blueprint, another $1,000. Coaching and Consulting Business Blueprint, another $1,000. Events and Masterminds, another $1,000. And then if they get the Ultra Accelerator, which is awesome, you get $3,000 off of this. So just think about it. Just think about if you take the training that they show you and you get one of these a month. How would $3,000 a month change your life? What about 2 or 4 or 8? The possibilities are endless. And this is what we call, they have low ticket commissions, which is these right here. They're low ticket, but they also have high ticket, which is these right here. And that's what you want to get, because just imagine the same amount to get low ticket products takes the same amount to get high tickets. It's just basically what's good for the goose is good for the gander. Maybe the person that seen this, maybe they can't afford all of this, but they come in right here because they want to get the information, they want the training, they want to get started, and eventually they work their way up to here. And guess what? You're cookie to that person, which means that once you bring that person in, no matter what they get, no matter what they upgrade to, you get that commission. So that's my #1 recommended way to make money online. The cost to do the business blueprint, the 15-day challenge, I mean, it's the cost of a cup of coffee. So imagine paying for the cost of a cup of coffee and being exposed to the knowledge that could make you six figures online. I mean, it's just crazy. But now all of that, okay, yeah, so we have Legendary, we have Clickfunnels, and we know about it, we're interested, but how do we get traffic to our offers? How do we get exposure? How do we bring people into our offers so they can see, so that they could so that we can start making money? And guys, it's real simple. You just head over to Udemy. And what Udemy is it's a solo ads. It's a solo ads place, and basically it's you find people who have a massive email list, and they will go out and they will promote your offer to their list. Which means, so like if you click on this guy, Brandon Sean, if you click on him, and if you look at him, 48% of people that have did business with him have gotten sales. So you go down here and you post your link in right here, and then you order traffic. His minimum is 100 visitors. So you can order from 100 to 1,000. And basically what it is that, yes, this way cost, but just imagine if you took 1,000 of these visitors, and imagine out of that you got 2 of these sales. So you've spent $683, but you've made $6,000. Or imagine out of these 1,000 visitors, maybe 10 sales at this amount. Or let's not even go with this amount. Let's go with the affiliate business blueprint. And 10 sales at $1,000 each. That's $10,000. So you just spent $683 to make $10,000. So I don't know. I mean, would you spend $683 to make $10,000? No, don't take this as I'm saying that you can go here and you'll spend $1,000, you'll get 1,000 visitors, you'll spend $683, and you'll come over here and you'll make 10 sales. I'm not saying that, because every single individual's results will vary. You may make a lot of money, you may make some money, you may make no money at all. Nothing is guaranteed, but I guarantee you one thing. If you don't take action now to change your life will never change. Imperfect action is better than no action at all. And you may not always make sales, but you can always build your list, and then you can go and remarket to those people. And now that's traffic that you own. So now it doesn't cost you any more money to market to those people. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure you like and subscribe to the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell, because on this channel, it's all about making money online. So I'll be bringing you videos about how to make money online, the tools needed to make money online, the traffic sources, all of that. So until the next time, guys, I'll see you on the next video.